Most people think you need to spend hours every day to make money online. What if I told you the follow-ups that earn me $300 a day take less than 5 minutes to set up? This is a simple side hustle where I work from home, set up AI follow-ups for local businesses, and then get paid over and over again. And the best part, once it's set up, the AI does all the heavy lifting for me. And this isn't some complicated system. You don't need marketing experience, you don't need tech skills, and you don't need a big budget to start. Hundreds of others are already using this exact business model to make real recurring income online, and it's the same one I use daily to profit from home. And just to be clear, I'm not selling you a course or some high-ticket coaching program. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and drop a quick comment saying you've done that. Then I'll send you a private link to a free step-by-step course with templates, scripts, and even a free live bootcamp 100% free. All right, so in just a minute, I'm gonna break down what the 5-minute rule is, how we actually go through and set it up for a small local business, and really the value add that it brings to a small local business. But before we do that, I wanna quickly break down what this business model is and also what it isn't. So how the old traditional social media marketing agency business model works is you go after small local business owners. So you pick an industry, you'd reach out to them and you'd offer to run their Facebook ads or do SEO for these clients, and you charge them anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 per month. And while it sounds super nice to be able to bring on just 5 clients at $2,000 a month and be making $10,000 a month, the truth is that most of these marketing agencies have a serious scaling problem because they're charging a price point that is way too high for these business owners to actually afford when you also take into account $2,000 a month plus the additional ad spend. And so what a lot of agencies were dealing with was they couldn't retain clients for more than 3 months. And on top of that, every time they did sign up a new business, these SMMA owners would just sink deeper and deeper into client and fulfillment work. So now this brings us to the new AI agency SaaS model, where what we're doing is we're still going after these same small local business owners, but instead of running Facebook ads for these businesses and charging $2,000 a month, we're gonna set them up with simple marketing systems. And as you'll be able to see here, these systems take about 5 to 10 minutes to set up one time, and then you can get paid $300 to $500 per month because of these simple yet insanely valuable systems that you are going to be implementing for these local business owners. Now, the simple solution that we're going to be implementing for these local business owners is called the 5-minute rule. So there's an actual study that Harvard did that found that responding to a new lead within 5 minutes can increase the chances of connecting and qualifying that lead by up to 100 times compared to waiting 30 minutes. And so as you can see right here on this little graph, if a small business owner waits even just 10 minutes before getting back to the lead or whoever it is who's reaching out to their business, the odds of them converting that lead into an actual customer for their business decreases dramatically. And so what we're gonna do for these small local business owners is set up a simple automation called the Fast 5 that's going to automatically follow up with every new lead that comes through the door. So I'm gonna show you right now how we actually go through and set this up for a small local business owner so that they can have a potential 50 to 70% increase in booking rates. Okay, so here we are inside of the simple AI software that we use to actually set up these local businesses. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click right here where it says create workflow, and then I'm gonna select from template. And then if we scroll down here, I'm going to select, there's an automation template called the Fast 5. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this template right here. And so as you can see right here, this is set up to send out an email and text message the moment that a new lead comes through, they opt in on the business owner's website or on social media, wherever it is. This is an automation to immediately follow up with every single new lead that comes in. And what I wanna actually do here is go one step further and add outbound voice calling so that we're actually calling and following up to try to book an appointment so that we're helping this local business owner to increase their odds of scheduling an appointment with this new lead as much as possible. And so what I'm gonna do right here is I'm just gonna hit this plus button, and then I'm just going to type in voice, and then I'm gonna select voice AI outbound call. So I'm just gonna click right here. I'm gonna select one of these AI voice agents. And so I'm gonna choose Jess right here. And then I'm just gonna choose a phone number. So I'm gonna choose Travis's number 2. And then I'm just gonna hit save action. And so already, as we see right here, we already have 3 different ways of reaching out to really capitalize on this 5-minute window of getting in touch with a lead or whoever it is that's reaching out to the small local business owner that we are helping. What we wanna do now to actually make this work so it's actually going to trigger to fire off is we wanna click on add new trigger right here. And this next part is going to depend on where the small business owner is getting new leads, if it's on their website, if it's on social media, if it's through a Facebook ad that maybe they are running. And so for right now, just to show you an example, I'm going to type in form right here, and we're going to say that a new lead submitted a form on their website. And so I'm just going to select form submitted. I'm going to press add filters, and then I'm going to choose form is, and then I'm just going to choose the actual form that is on their website. And then I'm going to hit save trigger, and then I'm going to click save. And now what I'm going to do is show you how simple it is to actually add a form to the business's website, so that when a lead enters the form, this automation fires off and they get an instant call, email, text message. So I'm just going to choose back to workflows, and then I'm going to select site right here. And so just as an example, we're going to set this up for a house cleaning business. And so we've got a website right here. And so I'm going to select edit in a new tab. And so we're just going to make sure that main opt-in form is connected with this button right here. And so I'm going to select right here where it says pop-up settings. And then I'm just going to click on pop-up right here. And then right here where it says you do not have any forms yet, what I'm going to do is press this plus button, and then I'm going to select form, and then where it says select your form, I'm just going to choose main opt-in. And then this form right now is just set up to collect a first name and an email. And so we want to actually collect the phone number as well. And so I'm going to click on edit form, and then right here where it says phone, I'm just going to select phone and just drag it in right there. And then I'm going to hit save. And so now if we come back over to the website and I just refresh this page to test this out, I can just hit this button, and then boom, you've got the main opt-in form where the lead who's interested in getting their house clean or whatever business it is that you are going to help, they can just put in their name, email, and phone number, and then just select this box right here. And then that will immediately fire off this automation right here. And so now that we've got that form added to the website, I'm just going to click right here on publish, and then I'm going to hit save. So now we're going to test it out and see how it works.
Hi, is this Travis?
Yeah, this is Travis.
Great. I see we have your email as wardroptravis@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Perfect. Thanks for confirming. How can I assist you today? Are you looking to book a cleaning appointment or need help with something else?
Yeah, I was just calling because we're actually moving, so I was calling to inquire about a move-out clean.
Got it. A move-out clean. Can I start with your home address?
Yeah, it's 123 Main Street.
Thanks. So that's 123 Main Street, correct?
Yeah.
Perfect. How big is your home? For example, how many bedrooms and bathrooms?
It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
Got it. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Do you have a preferred date and time for the cleaning?
Yeah, could you guys come this Friday sometime afternoon?
Sure. Let me check the available slots for this Friday afternoon. One moment. Here are the available slots for this Friday, November 14th in the afternoon. 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Let's do 2 p.m.
You're all set for Friday, November 14th at 2 p.m. If there's anything else you need, feel free to let me know.
Awesome, thank you.
You're very welcome. Thanks for calling and have a great day.
So I hope you can see how literally every single small local business owner that does not have this, which is a majority of these small local businesses, they need this. They need AI so that they can make more money, so that they can save deals, and you can come in and save the day and help them. And for just $300 to $500 a month, you can go through and set this up. It's a one-time simple setup. It's not like you have to go through and do Facebook ad management. And like I said, if you guys just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I will send you a private link to my free course to show you guys how to get started. I'll get you the extended 30-day free trial to that software. I'll show you how to get clients. I'll show you how to fulfill for clients. And I even have a lot of other free ways to go through and get clients, the scripts, the templates, the whole fulfillment process, how you can add other simple services on top of it. And so that is all jam-packed in there, 100% for free. And like I said, guys, I have no paid courses. I have no paid coaching program. I have no paid masterminds. And so that is not my hidden agenda. My hidden agenda, if you will, is I want you to sign up for the software through my affiliate link, because the cool thing is it will cost you $0 more to use my affiliate link, but it's going to give me a little bit of a kickback. And so then I can provide all this awesome value in training and courses and templates and coaching 100% for free, because I'm able to get a kickback from the software. Appreciate you watching. If you're brand new here, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.